llegan desde la escuela Dance Center Valencia. Nos van a bailar hip hop y su entrenador Iván Zapata. Ese aplauso.
Listen close, what we come for do? Shut it down. Legal shot, no touch about, enough excitement. See them frightened, watch them boy run.
Come here, girl. We are do. What a war. Done with that. Dirty one. Tony Mataran. Bass on the kill. Make it clap. One go take it off. Set the trap. Now make it sticky. Put it off. Twerk it, 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 twerk it.
First, let's just get this straight. You catch the name, but this just may be something you need to understand. It's a different day, but you may just come in handy. Cause I may need you to get down on the floor, do exactly what I say if you catch me.